Today we're taking a look at the way that you fix the YouTube playback interrupted. So if you're trying to watch videos on YouTube and they are being interrupted, in today's video let me show you a couple of things that you can try out. So the first thing that you need to check if your internet connection is stable. If it is not, you can try switching between cellular data and your Wi-Fi and vice versa. What you can also do is try restarting the YouTube app. So just you can hop out of the app of YouTube and then try reopening it up again. What you can also try out is try to clear the cache or data of the YouTube app. Tap and hold the app, head over to app info. From this settings page, you can see the option called clear data. You can just tap on it and then tap on the clear all data option. If you're using the desktop version, sometimes some sort of extensions that you've added inside of Google may also add in this issue, so you can try removing those as well. And once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube playback interrupted issue. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna be back soon with more videos just like this.